Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for pocket watch lovers. Today, I'm showing a pocket watch with a Verge Escapement, signed by John Ward, a watchmaker from London in the 18th century. This watch often causes debates among collectors. Some say it is a fake English watch, while others say it is a Swiss movement, finished by the watchmaker, signed, and sold in special markets to make production faster. Whatever the case, it is still an amazing piece, with a large movement and the famous Fusee chain, a typical feature of the time. Watch until the end of the video to learn some interesting facts about John Ward. At the end of the 18th century, London was the heart of European watchmaking. Among the many watchmakers at the time, we find the name John Ward, active between 1780 and 1800, with a workshop on Fore Street, London. His pocket watches follow the typical style of the period, featuring a Verge Escapement and a Fusee chain system, used to maintain consistent force throughout the movement. However, this particular movement shows traits of Swiss watchmaking, suggesting that part of the mechanism may have been imported from Switzerland and then finished in the United Kingdom. This was a common practice. British watchmakers would purchase semi-assembled movements from Swiss manufacturers, apply local adjustments and engravings, and sell the watches under their own signature, speeding up production while boosting commercial prestige. Do you have a watch like this, or know more details about the watchmaker John Ward? Leave a comment on the video and share your thoughts, as I really value your opinion. Thank you for watching.